guys, so the commotion is definitely increasing here. We've had more cars pull in, a couple McLarens now. I think we've got F430 here. I asked the guy if I could park in the center here where the other guys are parking at. I asked him, I was like, hey, I saw you guys let in that Dodge Challenger, and he's like, oh no, like that guy just went in, but he went into the basement to the parking garage underneath. So he said he'd move some cones for me and set me up right here on the street. So that's where I'm at right now. Got the green car here. I wish and I hope that the sun comes out and you can actually see the car in the color, because I think more people will appreciate the car when it's sunnier. And I'm just realizing now that this rim looks a lot more silver than the front rim. Maybe it's in the shade, but it looks a lot darker because the brakes, I guess, up there have been emitting a lot of brake dust. But I'm kind of here actually in a good spot here, just in front of the plaza, which is this Hingwa Lee Jewelers, David Lee's plaza with all his jewelry and watch stores and whatnot. So I wound up here with an old Mini Cooper, a turbo, another Carrera S, and my car. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna save some battery on my GoPro, make sure I have enough time to capture all the cool footage and all the cars that come up to the plaza today, including all the Hyper 6 cars, and especially the arrival of David Lee with his Huayra and LaFerrari. I think he's bringing both of them, so whenever they show up, it's gonna be sick. Alright guys, we're getting some noisy cars turning up here. Still waiting for the Hyper 6, but it's looking pretty good so far. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys whatever else I can find. Oh, we've seen this LT before at Lamborghini Newport Beach. Got another Speciale Aperta right there, really rare car. Alright guys, so like a string of really rare cars just pulled in here actually. So in terms of rarity, we've definitely got some cars here that have only been built to a select unit. Here we got this 458 Speciale in the classic kind of red with white and blue livery. It's got the little fin there, the side skirt fin. It's got the hood scoop, indented vents for increased airflow in the front. Behind that, we've seen here at Lamborghini Newport Beach before, this guy with his white 675 LT Spider. Very cool car. And here, probably the rarest car of them all, a 458 Speciale Aperta, the Spider version of the 458 Speciale, which is really cool because I actually never seen. Ooh. Wow, it's 675 LT. Really, really nice. Guys, it's... now we've really got some cars pulling in here. Another 675 LT in a Nardo Gray. Or a color similar to Nardo Gray. Actually, 675 LT Spider, didn't even notice the hardtop. Followed by an F12. So the lineup here is immense. The Hyper cars haven't gotten here yet to steal the show. Rumor is there's gonna be 2 LaFerraris, 2 Pagani Huayras, the Bugatti, the Koenigsegg, a 918, and hopefully McLaren P1. But right now, between a 458 Speciale, the Speciale Aperta, the 2 675 LTs which just pulled in, and now this F12, the turnout is pretty amazing already. Classic F12. Naturally aspirated V12 engine. Uh-oh. Oh no, guys. Oh shit. Woo! Koenigsegg Agera R. Oh my god, followed by a Pagani Huayra in red. Oh my god, look at those carbon wheels. Holy shit. they come. Here come the heavy hitters. Nothing to scoff at. We've got an Aventador Roadster here, followed by looks like a Novatech Huracan, a turbo, another Aventador, another turbo. But this is what's really here. I'll give you guys a better, closer look up at this car when it parks, but for now, Pagani Huayra, red. God, it looks good in the color. I've never seen one before. Oh my God. Looks like he's got like a titanium exhaust on there. You can see like purple tips. Actually a beautiful red, Guards red Aventador Roadster here. Actually it's a 50th Anniversario edition right here, you can see. It's got the 50th anniversary, so it's kind of got a little bit of more of the goodies with in terms of like the side skirt, the front bumper, the roof, and that kind of like gloss back black. Let me give you guys a quick look at the other cars here. This Huracan just barely clearing that curb in like an awesome Nardo gray. I gotta say, this is one of the coolest cars I've seen on supercars. We just saw it on that that 675 LT Spider. I think it's called something different. I think it's called like blue. It's blue something. But on this Lambo, also looks amazing. It's kind of that flat pastel color without the metallic flicks in it, or flakes. I'm sorry. These guys listen to some rap. They're pulling up. They're feeling good. Got an impressive Turbo S here. I've actually seen this guy around Newport Beach before. Pretty cool car, but he's not even getting any attention compared to the Agera R, the Koenigsegg Agera R, which just pulled in, and it's still right there, and the Pagani Huayra right behind it, which is just insane. So let's go check out those cars, but real quick, while they're pulling in right here, and nobody else is doing this, so I'm getting you guys a little bit of a closer look because everybody's all concerned with the other hypercars that just pulled in. But 911 Turbo S with a yellow fixed wing, 488 GTB, red wheels. Sounds like he's got some sort of custom exhaust on there. Really hot girlfriend too. Oh my God, okay. Maybe I do have to go back. The Agera R just revved. That was the Agera R in the F12 revving. Oh my, let me get in here, guys. We gotta check this out. This is unbelievable. Blue exposed carbon. Agera R. Whoa! Where the hell did the LaFerrari just come from? Just came up from a fucking garage or something. Downstairs. Could be David Lee, I don't even know. car is retarded fast. Oh my God. Yeah, here we go. I think this could be David Liam himself, maybe. Not even sure, but we got the loft. The Hyper Gang pulling in here, baby. Followed by this red.
Hey, you guys gotta do something. I couldn't even get it. Fucking like 10 bucks.
Uh-oh, we've got an angry guy here. This guy in yellow just said you guys gotta do something. Wow. This guy's like, yo, you fucking gotta do something about here. I don't know if you guys could hear that. That's pretty funny. We got the LaFerrari parking up next to the Koenigsegg. As the doors opened up kind of just vertically, the guy just like fell out of the car.
That's really funny.
Check out this. Oh my God. He's coming this way actually. Oh shit. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know where he's trying to go. Oh, wow. I think he's gonna do it in turning around, I think. This guy, the station guy in the yellow is still screaming. I think he pulled up in a 458. Oh my God, the Agera R again, revving. Fuck. Okay, let's go take a look at some of this. Look at the doors going up on the Koenigsegg Agera R. Uh-oh, another LaFerrari just pulled up here. We got another LaFerrari just pulled in. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. Guys, the lineup of Aventadors and supercars literally goes down the street. Blue Aventador Roadster. Oh, fuck. Look at this. Oh my. Nobody's filming the loft. Everybody, look at everybody. They're in line to see the. Oh my fucking God. Fucking. Oh my God. Guys, it just smells like Aventador after Aventador. Oh, look at this. Ferrari F12 and Largo. We've got a Novatec and Largo. Oh my God. And Largo, guys. Holy shit. SV gang. 3 different SVs. Black one with silver, white one with red, baby blue with black. Actually, if you look at this Aventador real quick, the SV has like a custom back here. And my stabilizer just died. But I can't leave now. I'm in like the middle of the street too. Okay, stabilizer's back online. All right guys, I'm just gonna go over here because there's nobody coming, but we've got our F430, another Aventador, a GTR, oh my God. Fuck. Okay, the lineup here is immense. The amount of cars that just pulled in is insane, but my gyro stabilizer battery just ran out. That's why it's a little shaky. I knew this would happen. I brought backup batteries, so I'll be right back. Stay tuned. There's insane cars coming up.